This tutorial shows you how the SignageTube Live platform is set up. So you want to set up a digital signage network that allows you to show messages or advertising on television screens. SignageTube Live has the unique feature to run entirely on videos and Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. These presentations can be static or they can be connected to real-time data sources to show the information in real time. When you install the player component of SignageTube Live, then you install a component that will receive multimedia files, and it will also install a powerful plugin for PowerPoint to show that real-time data integration. Make sure that Microsoft PowerPoint is installed and working on this computer before you initiate the installation of the player component. The setup for this player is called STLV1Player.x. The SignageTube Live player component plays videos, static presentations and real-time data presentations. Your designer or SignageTube expert needs to link the presentations to real-time data. This could be a simple clock, or real-time news or weather forecasts. But this could also be real-time information about your sales, your production, your events. The person who is going to link the presentations to data, they also need to install the SignageTube Live plugin for Microsoft PowerPoint. This component is called STLV1PPTX.x. And there is one central component which is called the SignageTube Live server. This is a service that runs in the background, and it tells the players what to show on the screen. Basically, it is just a service that takes care of the internal communication between all users and components. You can choose where to install this server component. You can add it to maybe an existing Microsoft Windows server that you already have in the company. Or you can even install it on one of your SignageTube Live players. You only need to install this on one computer in your network, and this computer should always be available. So don't install it on a laptop that you take home after work. The file name of this component is STLV1Server.x. The last component of the SignageTube Live platform is called the scheduler. This application allows a user to create playlists with presentations and video files. And then this app is used to plan where which playlist should be shown. Basically, this is your calendar for playback of your digital signage info. Whenever a new playlist playback is scheduled, this appointment is delivered to the server computer, and then forwarded to the corresponding player. The installation package is called STLV1Scheduler.x. After you have set up your SignageTube Live server, scheduler, and the plugin for PowerPoint, you can then add multiple SignageTube Live players to your infrastructure. After installation, you all connect them to the same server for scheduling information. You have viewed how the SignageTube Live platform is best set up with all of its components. Now you can start implementing this on your network.